Hello, viewers. Welcome to the episode 2 of the Car Facts. Today, we'll talk about the 20 miles per hour speed limit. Let's go. Hello, viewers. The more and more cities in the UK, they want to lowering the speed limit in the town centers or in the towns or cities from 30 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour. The lots of drivers are not very happy from the idea. But I won't share with you fact that was worse some time ago. Boom! Imagine this. You are late for work, your boss is fuming, and you are crawling along at 2 miles per hour. That's right, slower than the grandma on roller skates. And back in 1896, it wasn't just about driving slow. Oh no, you need someone walk in front of your car with the red flag. A red flag to warn everyone that you, sir or madam, dared to own one of these terrifying, futuristic contraptions called a car. But then came the Walter Arnold, the original rebel without a cause, who said, "Nah, I'm not crawling at 2 miles per hour," and zoomed off at blistering, wait for it, 8 miles per hour. Is 4 times the speed limit. Yes, a police officer on bicycle chased him down for 5 miles and gave him the UK first ever speeding ticket. Walter Arnold, the Usain Bolt of 1896 automobiles. Fast forward to today. The UK government want to set a 20 miles per hour speed limit for most roads. And let's just say, not everyone's thrilled. 20! I could run faster than this! Well, buddy, be glad you are not in 1896. Because not only would you need a red flag, but Walter Arnold would still leave you in his dust. From 2 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour. How far we have come. Or have we? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget about the next episode. Next episode of Car Facts. First Monday of the month. See you then.